Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the Goods and Service Tax from Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. Now, Section 2, Clause 106, Tax Period. Tax period means the period which has been prescribed by any governmental authorities for which a tax is required to be paid by the registered person, by the taxable person. Tax period means any period as prescribed by any governmental authorities for which a tax return is required to be filed with the governmental authorities would be a tax period. Tax period means any period which is prescribed by the government under any statutory act passed by the legislature, passed by the parliament for the purpose of filing the return or tax is required to be paid for that period. When the taxable period can be a 1 month, can be a period of 3 months, that is on quarterly basis, or a period for 1 year, an activity carried out during the period of 1 year for which a tax is required to be paid. Therefore tax period is a period at the ending of which return is required to be filed, or and on the basis of the tax calculated on a self-assessed basis or assessment made by the tax officers or the tax authorities, then tax is required to be paid by the taxable person. The activity of supply of goods or supply of services or both which has been taken period during the period of 1 month or a 3 months or a 1 year for which a tax return is required to be filed containing the details of the value of supplies, any deduction, any